If you had to rebuild your income from scratch in 2025, affiliate marketing remains one of the fastest, lowest-risk paths to sustainable earnings. Today, I'll share 10 high-paying, trustworthy affiliate programs, updated for 2025, the rules for picking winners, and a practical 30, 60, and 90-day plan to get started. No fluff, just actionable steps. Welcome to Invisible Income, where we turn repeatable systems into real online revenue. No hype, just proven step-by-step methods that work. Quick note, this video includes affiliate links. We may earn commissions at no extra cost to you. Always check program terms on their official sites, as they can change. All data is based on August 2025 research, so verify for updates. This is for creators, freelancers, and small business owners chasing lasting income, not trends. These programs aren't a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll get a curated list of offers, why they're a good fit, and how to promote them effectively to maximize conversions. Here's a 2-minute primer to avoid common pitfalls and set you up for success. CPA, or cost per action, pays a fixed amount per sign-up or sale. Great for quick cash but no long-term gains. Revenue share gives a percentage of ongoing payments, compounding over time for stable income. Cookie windows matter. A 7-day cookie is short, limiting conversions for big-ticket items. Look for 30, 90, or 180-day windows to give users time to decide. Most programs use last-click attribution, so your content, tutorials, comparisons, or emails needs to be the final touch before a purchase. Focus on 3 key metrics: EPC, or earnings per 100 clicks, conversion rate, and AOV, or average order value. A high AOV with a 5 to 10% conversion rate often beats a high commission on a low-selling product. Watch refund and chargeback policies, as they can claw back your earnings. Affiliate networks like ShareASale offer robust tracking and faster payouts, while in-house programs may have better terms but slower approvals. Always disclose affiliate links in your video, description, and near links to build trust and comply with regulations. Let's make this tangible. Imagine promoting a $99 per month SaaS tool with a 30% recurring commission. That's about $29 per month per customer, or roughly $356 per year. Refer 10 customers and you're earning $3,500 per year from a single video or article that ranks over time. Stack complementary tools like email marketing, hosting, and a page builder to diversify churn and boost total lifetime value. For example, pairing a hosting service with an email tool can yield multiple streams from one audience. These are estimates. Consistency turns them into reality. Affiliate marketing in 2025 is evolving. Key trends include AI-driven content, like tools for personalized recommendations, which are rising. Think Jasper or Copy.ai affiliates. Micro niches like vegan fitness coaches convert better than broad markets due to lower competition. With third-party cookies phasing out, prioritize email lists and first-party data to drive traffic directly to affiliate links. Micro-influencers with engaged audiences are also outperforming big names, so build trust with authentic recommendations. These trends shape program choices and promotion strategies, so lean into tools your audience already seeks. Now, the top 10 high-paying, high-trust affiliate programs for 2025, chosen for strong payouts, reliable conversions, and audience alignment. I'll share each program, its commission, cookie window, ideal audience, and a content angle, plus estimated EPC where available. Picture a table on screen with these details. First, HubSpot, a CRM and marketing suite offering about 30% recurring revenue with a 90-day cookie. It's ideal for B2B marketing and sales audiences. Angle, toolkit for high-touch sales teams. EPC is around $50 to $100 for qualified traffic, with high AOV and premium plans. Next, Webflow, a no-code website builder paying 50% on first-year subscriptions, with a 90-day cookie and first-touch attribution. Perfect for designers and agencies. Angle, Rebuild client sites in an hour. It has a high AOV in agency tiers. ClickFunnels, a funnel builder with 30% recurring commissions on subscriptions and a 30-day cookie. It suits online courses and coaching niches. Angle one-page funnel teardown. It performs strongly in digital product markets. Kit, formerly ConvertKit, an email platform for creators offering 50% recurring for 12 months, then 10 to 20% ongoing based on tiers with a 30-day cookie. It has low churn in newsletter niches. Angle, welcome sequence for first sales. Kinsta, premium WordPress hosting, paying $50 to $500 one time plus 10% lifetime recurring, with a 60-day cookie and last touch attribution. It offers long-term value. Angle, speed test pre-post migration. EPC is around $200 or more. WP Engine, managed WordPress hosting with 200 plus one-time payouts and a generous 120-day cookie. Great for research-driven content. Angle, managed versus cheap shared hosting. Coursera, an education platform with 15 to 40% per sale and a 30-day cookie. It matches skill-building searches. Angle, best data analysis courses for career switches. It offers a wide variety of SKUs. Fiverr, a freelance marketplace paying up to $150 CPA on first orders plus revenue share on repeats with a 30-day cookie. Ideal for outsourcing guides. Angle, outsourced podcast editing for $25. See results. ActiveCampaign, a marketing automation tool with up to 30% recurring commissions on tiers and a 90-day cookie. It overlaps with email, CRM, and e-commerce. Angle, 3-step abandoned cart automation. It's beginner-friendly. Finally, Shopify, an e-commerce platform offering 20% recurring for 2 months or up to $2,000 one time with a 30-day cookie. Perfect for store builders. Angle, launch your store in a weekend. It's rising with AI integrations. These programs align with 2025's focus on AI, niche audiences, and recurring revenue. Always check terms for updates. This isn't theory. Publishers like Wirecutter generate millions with trust-based reviews. Creators like Pat Flynn have shared 6- and 7-figure earnings from affiliate content targeting purchase intent keywords, comparison posts, and tutorials. Recurring programs create near passive income when you stick to a niche. If you want practical money tips without hype, hit subscribe. Avoid shiny object syndrome with 3 filters for picking winners. First, value ladder. Choose products with high retention, like SaaS with low churn, for recurring revenue. Second, conversion match. Promote tools your audience already searches for. Match demand, not hype. Third, low friction. Prioritize long cookie windows, transparent dashboards, and fast approvals to focus on creating, not chasing support. Search best tool and cons in your niche. If top results mention it, your audience wants it. If not, it's fading. Here's a realistic 30, 60, 90-day plan to start earning. No giveaways needed. Budget 4 to 6 hours per content piece using free tools like Google Keyword Planner for SEO or Canva for visuals. Days 1 to 30. Pick a niche problem like email for coaches. Create 3 buying guides. Best email tool for coaches, Webflow versus WordPress for designers, and best data courses for beginners. Optimize for best and versus keywords. Days 31 to 60. Produce 3 tutorial videos linking recommendations and descriptions and on-screen. Build a simple email welcome sequence via Kit, teaching steps with affiliate links. Track clicks with Google Analytics. Days 46 to 60. Post 3 comparison articles for high-intent keywords. Best versus price, with short demos. Repurpose demos into 60-second TikTok or Instagram shorts to drive traffic. Days 61 to 90. Update guides with FAQs from comments. Add internal links between posts and videos. Send weekly emails with takeaways or results. Spend 10 minutes weekly analyzing comments for the next topics. Top converting formats include How I Set Up X in 20 Minutes with an on-screen checklist. Which tool is worth it in 2025? With a decision tree graphic and from zero to first sale tutorials using your tools. Insert links in descriptions, pinned comments, and emails. Focus on specific use cases like email for yoga instructors over broad lists. Use visuals like tables or screenshots of program dashboards to boost engagement. Watch out for these risks. Volatility. Programs change terms, so diversify across 2 to 3 offers. Last click bias. Another site may steal credit. Mitigate with comparison posts, email follow-ups, and CTAs near decisions. Short cookies. Plan content closer to purchase for short windows. Coupon hijacks. Browser extensions can override links, so place links at decision points and reinforce via email. Saturation. Avoid crowded niches. Target sub-niches like CRM for vegan coaches. AI overuse. Blend AI tools with personal insights to avoid search penalties. Compliance. Disclose links clearly, screenshot claims, and avoid unproven promises. Here's a quick test. Which program suits binge research content? Hosting, which takes months to decide, or courses with a week-long cookie? Comment your guess in your niche, and I'll suggest 2 tailored programs. Affiliate marketing isn't dead, it's maturing. Focus on trusted, recurring revenue products, research-driven topics, and content that educates first, making sales the natural next step. Save this video and act today. Start your newsletter with Starter Kit, link below, and set up a welcome sequence. Need a site? Build on Webflow, link below, with a simple template and publish version 1 this week. Links are in the description and pinned comment. These are affiliate links at no extra cost. Share this with a friend who needs extra income. Here's one rule to live by. 1 niche, 1 offer, 1 channel for 90 days. Stick to it and the flywheel spins.